This is a PRG demo, step by step. In this one, I just using Java config for the project setup. There's no difference if you're using web.exe, if you're using XML or using Java classes to do the configuration. Okay, no need to add extra configuration in this case. So now I'm gonna do is to give a scenario like the one I introduced in the theory part, like a place and order. I just give very simple scenario. Okay, so in the controller I'm gonna write a class like called the order controller. Okay, in the order controller, first thing I add a controller annotation. Then I'm gonna just delete. I'm gonna have a get mapping, which is a slash, and in the first I'm gonna go to order form. Okay, and in the order form I just return order form.jsp. Suppose if I want to using a Spring form, then you have to have a model attribute. Okay, model attribute here I have to give a model, and then let me create a class called order. Okay, order model. The order model gonna have what? The order model gonna have two fields. The first one is a product name. Okay, I'm pretty late. Second one is string quantity. How about that? Okay, very basic. Okay, insert. I'm gonna add the getter setters for both of these fields. And now I want to have what's thing called the order. Order, then order, right? Because I want to using Spring form. And now I have to create a page under the JSP, because in my configuration I configure to find prefixes JSP. So let me close this one, and under the JSP I create a page called the order form. In the order form I'm gonna using Spring form tag. Then I have a tag lib. Let me add tab prefix is a form. Okay, and the URI is a Spring tag form. Okay, and now on the body what I can do is using form, and the action you can give an action like called the save order. Okay, the method is a default, is a post, so you add, not add, it doesn't matter. Then you have to have a model attribute. This key gonna be, in this case, what's gonna be the key. Then you using the order, the type, and using the smaller case. Okay, this is the type. Okay, the order object, the type. Then make this one to be the lowercase. This is my theory. Okay, so let me change it to be my. I'm not sure if it's gonna using this variable name. My theory is gonna using the type, and which is the class name, but I change the class name, the first letter, to be lowercase. If it doesn't work, then it's gonna be this one. Okay, you can also give you customized. I'm sure if you give customized, it's gonna be the customized. So here for the attribute, I'm gonna using the order. Okay, and probably it's not. Let me using my order, because okay, then I just switch to order. If it doesn't recognize, it might be the problem of the IntelliJ. I'm not gonna change it. If it have errors, then I'm gonna come back and change it. Okay, so I'm gonna bind to form input using pass. The first one is bind to product name. Okay, it's better you copy, and here the second one, let me using a paragraph, make it looks better. Okay, paragraph, product name, and which one is name, And the next one is the quantity, right? This one is the quantity. And this one is gonna bind to the quantity. Okay, sorry, bind to the quantity. Okay, then I have input. Type is submit, and the value is place order. When I click button, it should go to save order methods inside this controller. So I add the post mapping, and the URL is save order, and here I have public string save order, and here I give an order object. It doesn't need to match. You also don't need to have a model attribute, okay? And here I'm gonna save to database. Suppose I'm using system.out.println. Here say save to DB. And then you return to thank you page, okay? You return to thank you page, which means here you're gonna have a thank you .jsp, okay? Thank you .jsp. Here I just say you place order successfully. Got it? In this one. And let me show you the problem first, okay? I'm gonna run it in Tomcat. Okay, and I'm gonna click to run. Okay. The first time I'm gonna take some. Take a longer. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, good. And it's app. So I'm gonna switch to Chrome to show you the page. Okay, it's app. Now you type the name like cola. Okay, quantity is 2. When you click place an order, you will see place successfully. But when you click this refresh, it will have confirm form resubmission, which means when you click this continue, you will submit again. Click one, submit. You place this same order 3 times. Okay, let me switch back to the IntelliJ and show you in the console. Okay, see here, first time I click place order, it was saved to the database. And then what I did is I refresh, okay, reload the page, it also save to the database again. So this is really bad, okay? So how to solve the problem? How to solve the problem? How to do that is never forward in the post mapping. You should always to do redirect. How to do the redirect? Public string like success page, okay, success, and here you will return to thank you page, okay, and here let's using a get mapping, go to thank you success, okay, and inside your post you don't go to the page, instead you redirect to / success. Okay, you achieve PRG, which is in the post you redirect and make another GET request. And let me redeploy and show you. Even though I refresh the page, it won't make a duplicated submit. It's up, So I will clear the output here, and then I'm gonna switch to the console. Console Chrome. In the Chrome, I will open a new tab to make a call. Okay, this is the form, and I create 4. Okay, I place an order, and now if I refresh, okay, it won't make another post request. Okay, so let me switch to the console, IntelliJ, to show you the console. You can see in my IntelliJ, no matter how many times I click the reload, it never goes to my post mapping. It never goes to my post mapping because you have a redirect here. The browser URL is changed and it made a GET request. But when you have a redirect, you're gonna have some other issues, which is if you want to display the order detail information inside the thank you page, and when you have a model.add attribute, okay, because if you are using redirect, it's not gonna goes to your GSP page. And I will talk about this scenario in next video. Okay, thank you, and hope you understand PRG pattern after watching this video. See you next time.